so bored. Can I order Uber Eats, Mom?
We gotta take a nap first then.
Alright, I'll just wait till you get up. Did you get back Netflix? Or Amazon Prime? I'm just gonna watch a movie. Okay, Mom? Then I'll call Dad later. Okay? Rasheem, you can come over now, okay? You look really nice, Rasheem.
Alright, my heartbeat. Ready for going inside now?
Yeah. But we have to be quick. My mom's asleep. So, you can't stay long, okay? I have so much stuff I want to show you. Some things I saw on TikTok. Alright? You brought the rubbers, right?
Yeah, man, baby. Olivia, what the hell that boy you doing in your room? What the hell is wrong with you, Olivia? What the bumble clutter going right here? Get out! Olivia, you really come bring money in my house? What you think this is? Eh?
I don't see why you're acting like that. Didn't you cheat on Dad? So what if I have a boyfriend?
You a local girl. You not have no boyfriend. You're supposed to study upon your schoolwork.
I get straight A's. I can do whatever I want. The next time you embarrass me like that, you'll regret it.
I don't know what's going on with Olivia. She's been acting out. This is the second time now she put her hand on me. You sure she's not taking drugs or something? She don't usually like this. I don't know what's going on. Her teacher said she's been acting out. I don't know. I guess I'll have to make her see a counselor. I can't believe this is happening. If this gets any more worse, I would have to send her to boot camp. I don't know what's going on with my sweet little girl. Adam, do whatever you please. Reach a point where I'm just tired of everything. I can't bother no more. I just can't bother no more with nothing. Boy, my head hurt me bad.
You want me to go to the shop and get you something for your headache, Grandma?
No, man, my princess. Me alright. Me get over it. Me just need to burn a spliff. I'm good.
Grandma, I don't think you're supposed to be smoking anyway.
Oh, I'm dear, man. Me have to burn a spliff. Me can't deal with them people here. Sober. Me have to frost all the time. They must stress me out. Every single day, they come and look for me. As I hate the boy, you see, man. I was a thought to me about sitting, but me no remember. Text your uncle and tell him some more and more chicken.
Him say more, change your diet.
Change over diet. Look like me need to lose weight. Tired. Why everybody else tell me what to do. Me no want no fish. More chicken, curry chicken. That's so hard for ask. Why them pick me up? Them really a try kill me. Diana, it's alright.
Him say fish good for the brain.
After me I like fish. Me eat fish. Me like chicken or oxtail. Goat, something. You know what? Leave it alone. You can go to the shop and buy me one Bigfoot and one bag juice. Something for snack pan when me get frost.
Grandma, that don't make no sense. You're supposed to eat better than that. Bigfoot, bag juice, that not good for you. No worry, me cook the food for you. Me buy the fish. You gonna like it. Me gonna curry it, alright?
Alright.
We want you to feel better, Grandma. That's why we do this. We want you to get all better, alright? Maybe on the weekend, we'll get you some treats and what you like. But it can't be an everyday thing, alright?
Alright, my sweet granddaughter.
Your neighbor always I try to talk to me, Grandma. You can't tell him to leave me alone, please. Tell him to me already have my man. And me don't talk to married man neither.
That old drunk. Me say everybody him look. Everybody. If the dog could have chat, him would have looked the dog too. I say I hate him. I hate the boy. I don't know why him wife just left him.
Speaking of, I think both go back to Canada for a little while. Maybe 2 weeks. But I'll come back down. Come I want to stay with you and make sure you're alright. Okay, Grandma?
Alright. That cool.
No worry, I'm gonna bring you back some of the ketchup chips. That'll be our little secret. Alright? We're not gonna tell Uncle Daniel nothing. And if you want anything else, just let me know. Okay? Remember, Grandma, I only stay for 2 weeks. Okay? 2 weeks. Alright, Grandma? You hear me?
Yes, me hear you. After me deaf, me hear everything what you say, alright?
Alright, Grandma, but just make sure. I got to tell you there for the call for you. Make sure you're alright. But you're gonna need more than one person here with you, okay? We can't wait for see Junior again. It's been so long.
The boy, they cute still. You have good taste like your granny.
So you're not gonna tell her if go find man with money like what you tell me what to do. You know, if it wasn't for you, I would have find one wife who I actually like. But you did force me for marry Sherry, and I not even did want her. You know, say your fault, my dead. All your reckless parenting style would have there right now for raise my daughter. It was always a horrible mother.
Grandma? Grandma! Shit.
Mommy, why you run away from me for? Why you not just face the truth? It's your fault, my dead.
And if me kill you, so how am I fault you dead? Dede, leave. Leave me alone, alright? Me can't take this no more. Just go away in a day, please. Just go away. Alright? Me can't take the stress no more, please. Dede, please. Please, me I beg you, just leave me alone, alright? I'm sorry. I'm sorry what happened to you, I'm sorry. Dede, I'm sorry.
Grandma, what are you talking about? Daddy's not here. Grandma, come, let's go inside.
What? You want there enough to end up like me, right? And that you want? Yo, Tensia, you good? Tensia. Come here, you're alright, okay? Take up young youth. What if you take up young youth?
Just can't deal with this anymore. I just feel like everybody will fight me. I just can't take this no more. I can't believe it. One daughter attacked me. I just can't deal with it.
Diana, you good? Yo, come here. Feel like a long time in this here. You alright?
Anthony, what going on?
Nothing, my dear. Just foolishness with Jackson and everything. Him a get on my nerves. So what going on with you? What you cry for?
Sorry, I just sit at the house and get emotional. I remember Grandma.
You know, me never sell the house, right? You can still go in there.
No, man, that good. Man, I go back to Canada for 2 weeks. Go look for Junior.
Oh, really? That good, man. You know, my dead for see you. That really good.
Yeah, man, I did for see him too. And Oliver.
Yeah, me just spend here 1 more week and then I go back. I still want to meet my new daughter.
Another one, Anthony.
Come on, go race.
Anthony, you coming like some big pitney.